In this video, I will tell you guys about these 4 amazing superfoods that will strengthen your immune system. Without wasting any time, let's start with the number 1. Number 1. This is my favorite, garlic. Garlic is such a powerhouse. It contains compounds that help the immune system fight bacteria. Garlic has shown promise as a treatment for preventing colds, flu, and many other diseases. Studies have shown that garlic reduces the risk of becoming sick in the first place, as well as how long you stay sick. It can also reduce the severity of symptoms. There's a lot more to garlic. It is an absolute beast of a superfood. You can also watch my other video in which I show how I use garlic to treat myself. You should take garlic at least twice a week. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger strengthens the immune system. Cold medications cannot kill viruses, but ginger might. One study showed that ginger stimulated the immune system to kill viruses. Even if it doesn't kill it, it will definitely prevent it from hitting the body. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Many citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and tangerines contain high amounts of vitamin C. This essential vitamin boosts the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells in the body that fight off bacteria and viruses. Citrus fruits are also linked to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and macular degeneration. For your information, 1 orange a day meets your daily vitamin C requirement. Number 4. Turmeric. No immune system boosting video is complete without mentioning turmeric. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that boost immune responses. Keep your immune system healthy by eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family too. Goodbye.